Hello everybody, thank you for clicking this video. Here I am Simran Kaur. I have scored a total of 95% in my class 10 board examination that was in 2024 and I have scored the highest in my school. And when I was preparing for my board exams, I used to watch a lot of videos about students telling how they scored 98, 100 and 99%. But one thing which I truly realized is that there were very much things which were never discussed, right? Many more important things that were never given proper space. So in this video I'm going to tell you about not just study tips but the things that actually makes the entire difference. Whenever a class 10 start, we usually became obsessed with marks because everybody values us for the score that we have. Oh, okay. So I understand why marks are important. But one mistake which you don't have to do in order to go for 100% or even more or whatever you want is that you should not just study for marks. You should study for overall understanding. Because once you'll understand the concept, your confidence will increase, your revision would become quicker and easier, chapters would look easier to you. एंड ठीक है, एक बात याद रखना, इफ यू मेमोराइज समथिंग आप उसको बहुत जल्दी भूल जाओगे, बट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग आप उसको कभी भी समझा पाओगे, आप हमेशा याद रखोगे जब आप बार बार रिवाइज करोगे और अच्छे से टॉपिक्स को समझोगे एंड टीचर्स को फॉलो करोगे, अच्छे टीचर्स को, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद तीसरा मेन पॉइंट क्या है कि आपको एनसीईआरटी को मेन बुक बना के चलना है, राइट। एनसीईआरटी इज समथिंग विच यू कैन नेवर डू अवे विद, ओके। इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एक्स्ट्रा बुक एंड यू डू नॉट हैव बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ एनसीईआरटी, तब आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला, ठीक है। सॉल्व एवरी क्वेश्चन दैट इज देयर, एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी एक्सरसाइज एंड एवरी एग्जाम्पल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट, बी इट हिंदी और बी इट मैथ्स, okay, equal importance to all and special importance to those in which we are weak, okay. Now fourth most important point is that consistency. You should begin your studies from the very beginning and you should study by till the end, okay. Motivation, you should not drive yourself with motivation. Follow the consistency, study from the very starting and try to have a specific amount of things for your extra sort of work that you go on for your hobbies and all of those, but make sure that you study every day. No matter how much hours you are giving, you would give 8 hours some day and you would give 2 hours the other day, but that is very okay. If 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 you're giving it every time, you're not leaving any space as a lapse or a gap, okay, so it's fine. What matters is continuity, each day study. Now the next thing is comparison. We are in this age where we find that some people are very good than us, okay, they can be good in themselves, okay, they are good in their field. What you have to do is not to compare yourself with anybody else. What you have to do is to compare yourself with the past version of you. If you have scored 54% and earlier you used to score 34%, that itself is an increment. So compare yourself with the past version of yours. Okay, सबका अलग अलग चलता है, कोई सिलेबस जल्दी कर लेता है, कोई क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा सॉल्व करता है. Everybody moves in the way their brain works, okay. So don't try to compare yourself with anybody, focus on your own progress because marksheet 100% वाली आपकी होगी, किसी और की नहीं, okay. So focus on yourself and work very very hard the much you can. And the third thing is how I revise. So as the Grad sir had told a lot about it in his videos, so I used to focus on active recall. Wherever I used to sit, I used to talk to myself and this actually worked well for me. So try to recall, try to just recall यार secularism है, इसमें क्या क्या हुआ था, अपने ही मन में बोलते रहो. So it would help you to solidify all the things that you have studied, okay. So make sure that you do that. So solve questions after revising. ज़्यादा बार बार पढ़ो मत, मतलब पढ़ो ऑब्वियसली एनसीईआरटी की 6-7 बार रिविजन रीडिंग लगाओ और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो, अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट को पढ़ो, की पॉइंट्स को लिखवाओ, फिर उसको लर्न करो, कीवर्ड्स वगैरह इन सब पे फोकस करो और साथ साथ में टेस्ट भी करते रहो खुद को. दैट वुड हेल्प यू वेरी मच. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज राइटिंग, ओके. नाउ बोर्ड्स एग्जाम इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट हाउ यू हैव स्टडीड, इट इज अबाउट कि आप कितना दिखा पा रहे हो टीचर्स को, ठीक है. उनको तो कॉपी देख के लग रहा है ये 100 मार्क्स वाली है या नहीं है, और नहीं है तो वो नहीं देंगे, और है तो वो कट भी रहे होंगे ना मार्क्स, वो तब भी देंगे, ओके. तो आपको राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है. हर एक चैप्टर से मिनिमम कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होने चाहिए जो आपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से सॉल्व किए हों, उनको अपने टीचर से चेक कराया हो, प्रॉपर एनालाइज किया हो और अपने आप के लिए टीचिंग्स भी लियो कि ये चीज़ें मेरे को नहीं करनी है. सैम्पल पेपर वगैरह इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू शुड डू दैट बाय द एंड. सॉल्व ऑल at least 15 sample paper before going to your board exam. And focus on presentation because that helps you to fetch marks. फॉलो इंट्रोडक्शन की टॉपिक्स वगैरह, मेन पॉइंट्स वगैरह, और फिर कंक्लूजन देना, डायग्राम्स वेर एवर पॉसिबल. सो ट्राई टू डू ऑल ऑफ दो स्टफ. नाउ द next important thing is that you should not treat 10th as the final destination, or not just 10th. You should not treat any exam as a final destination. You never knows that where God would leave you. Okay, whatever you have, maybe whatever you are thinking about yourself, you're thinking less, but God wants to give you more, so it would take much time. So what you have to do is to give your best in class 10, but you are not required to treat it as the final destination. If you have aimed for 100% and you end up scoring 95, 92, 91, or even 80, 50, then don't try to compare yourself this soon. You know that you have given 100% for this score. Even if it doesn't come, you have ended on a good note. So make sure कि आप अपना best दे रहे हो. Whatever would come to you would suit to your point or to your life point. Okay, life has already been made. What you're required to do is to put in your efforts. Okay, but obviously you should focus on changing the lines which were written by God, obviously. But do your best in class 10, then maybe the God have better future for you. But don't treat it as your final destination. Work hard for it, work seriously for it, but do not attach your entire identity to it. Okay, if I'm scoring 54%, or if you are scoring 54%, that makes you no less than the person scoring 100%. It's just that they've given much more efforts that year than you. Learn from those mistakes and work for yourself, which would ultimately help you for future. Okay, now next, and this is the conclusion part of this video, where we would sum up what all things we have studied, what all things I wish I would have been told before my class 10 started. Okay, what were those? These were few things. First of all, you should focus on understanding the concept, because this is very important. Okay, they can mold the question any way they want, because they want, if they are giving 98 to you and 93 to you, they would have to explain why they are giving much to you. They would have to explain. Okay, जब भी your marks goes up from 95, 96, so what happens is that your copy is being checked by a number of teachers. And not just that, your copy could also be there on the CBSE site. So make sure that you don't do any mistake possible. And how can you do that? You do that when your concepts are very clear. Try to read everything, try to understand everything, and try to solidify whatever you have studied, presented. Focus on giving tests as well, and try to analyze those tests which you have given. Now, second most important thing which I have told for you is that you should focus on NCERT before anything else. NCERT is the key, and NCERT is the rule book there for your entire year. Okay, now stay consistent. Okay, if you are studying 10 hours a day and you are studying 0 hours the next day, it's not worth it. But if you are studying 4 hours today and 4 hours the next day, then it is okay. You can go ahead with it. And revise actively. You should revise every concept that you have studied. अगर आपने कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन पढ़ा, आपको कोई पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया, तो उसको समझ लीजिए. फिर उसके बाद उसका हर हफ्ते रिवीजन कीजिए, हर दिन रिवीजन कीजिए. पहले बार आप उसको एक दिन रिवीजन करेंगे, फिर एक वीकली साइकिल करोगे, फिर उसके बाद ईयरली साइकिल, ऑब्वियसली, है ना. फिर उसके बाद आपको राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन पे ध्यान देना है. दिस वुड हेल्प यू about and don't focus on unhealthy competition. Okay, if someone is telling you that why are you moving so much for this and all of those stuff, if they are saying, no matter whatever others are saying for you, okay, you should focus on yourself, focus on your own identity, focus on your own purpose, focus on your own progress. Okay, don't go into unhealthy competition, but focus on healthy competition. If someone is sending better answer than you in telegram groups or anything, then try to learn why they are able to represent such good answers and why I am not able to. Okay, so focus on healthy competition and not unhealthy competition. Is very important, but it needs to be healthy. And focus on your own progress. not just the marks. Okay, focus on your own progress and growth. You should grow as a person. Your understanding of the society needs to be improved. Your way of communicating needs to be improved. Your ability to present things needs to be improved. So focus on that the entire union, you're good to go. No matter what score you would score, but you would be proud on yourself for the whole life of yours. So give 100% of yours, and all the very best for your boards. I hope everybody of you do the best you can from your side, and thank you for watching. Now we'll see you in the next video.